Hello people, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. As per usual, let us know where you're checking in from. Who's checking in? That would be good, wouldn't it? Got a little half and half going on today. My wonderful model Madison, who is in for quite a monumental day today with me, because later on, she's no longer looking like this. She's going to have a fantastic little fringe. She called it bangs, but I like to call it fringe. And she's going chin length with her bob, like right up there, sharp as you like. So really looking forward to doing that. But more importantly, what's our live today about? Dun, 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 dun. The new product, 7 Seconds Anti-Frizz. I've not paid her to laugh at all my crappy jokes either. I might have to buy her a sandwich at lunchtime. But anyway, 7 Seconds Leave-In Thermal Mist. Well, there's the official title. The Leave-In Thermal Mist. What is it? So I've already put a little bit of 7 Seconds on her hair already, the leave-in, because yes, you can use them. They're totally okay to use as layers. We've used some booster shampoo and conditioner first off, 7 Seconds, but then we come in with the miracle product. What is this stuff? Okay, it is, as it says, a thermal mist. So application-wise of this, you're not going to see it on camera because of having a white background, blah, 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 blah. It comes out and it's not aerosol derivative. So when you just hold it down, it just distributes product in a super, super fine mist. Now, distribution-wise, it's not crazy like really, really fine sections. You can be reasonably generous with it. As far as sections concerned, just make sure you get a nice coating over the hair. And it depends on how much hair you've got and what it's like. So, as you can see from our other side, classic case of no one ever comes in and says, oh, my hair is over-conditioned, over-moisturised. So, one, we're doing that. We're giving it some repair, which I'm going to go into all the ingredients with shortly. But it's also, the number one product for us now is a dehumectant for taking away frizz. So, fight the frizz. Maybe I should get the t-shirt, fight the frizz. I'm loving that. Mike, you applauding that, Mike?
That's fantastic.
Fight the frizz. Marketing department, I know you're watching this. Let's fight the frizz. Anyway, moving on. As you can tell, you don't often think I've taken drugs to do these lives, as some people have commented on. Alison's still laughing at all my crappy jokes. Anyway, we'll keep going. We're going to have some fun with this. Distribution, combing through. Let's have a little deep dive into what is in this. So you've got the active ingredients of Seal Soft, which you know have come, they are in another product we actually use as well. We'll go into that another day. You've got hydrolyzed pea protein and you've got tocopherol, vitamin E. What do they do? The Seal Soft, it tightens the actual individual hair strands and it's an amazing dehumectant when thermal UV protection. The pea protein is a moisture, elasticity, and it strengthens and nourishes the hair. Really important to have that. Obviously, it's not an artificial or anything like that. It's all completely natural derivative. And the tocopherol, the vitamin E, is that goes against environmental damage, pollutions, etc. It's an antioxidant and obviously conditions the hair. Now, it's for all hair types. It's, as we said, it fights the frizz. That's what it's for. Seals cuticle, locks in moisture. It's a weightless protein, protects thermal UV damage. It's safe on, as I say, all hair types, including extensions, which is where I think one of the strengths of our brands is always the amount of stuff that we can use with extensions without any harm whatsoever is incredible. Vegan, cruelty-free, and it's obviously got a beautiful, fresh scent because it's got to smell nice after all. So, what do we do with it? Do you have to blow dry the hair straight? No, absolutely not. You can do it wavy, curly, whatever you wish. But let's just go through a little bit of the process while I'm drying this. Could I rough dry it and add a little bit more? Yes, if the hair was thicker. But on this occasion, we're just going to go straight into blow drying with a round brush and see what remarkable results we're going to get, even though I'm chopping all this off in a little while, which is great, but there you go. What decided you make you want to go really short? You just like that look on you?
I do. Frame the face, I like it very sharp and chiseled around the jaw.
And you've never had any misgivings about going that short?
Never.
Great. Just like to hear. You know, it's just nice to hear that opinion every once in a while. That's totally off topic, but that's where we go on these
I like
lives.
it short better.
You do?
I do.
You feel like you're a short-haired person?
I am, yeah.
Okay.
It's the way to go.
Right. Nice. Yeah. Well, that fringe and that it becomes really sort of quite iconic.
Right.
Got any questions, Mike? Anything coming in?
Madison has been identified. You've been spotted by Christina Lubov.
Christina!
I'm sure I'm saying your name wrong.
Hi!
She was in last week.
She was.
Yes,
I
lovely.
told her to watch our live. She said I'd be quite funny in it, but you know, as I said, I keep prodding her with an electric shock round the back. That's why she's laughing. How you doing, Christina? Good to see you last week. Yeah. Is that it? No, I think no other questions. No, like big wows about the new product. Unbelievable.
Can't wait to see it unwind.
That's right. That's right.
Right, well,
Real time.
No, well, I always disappoint on those ones. So let's go. Let's get at it. Now they can't hear me. I can shout. So I'm going up. Out of interest, I am going up maximum heat on this just to show you, you know, how nice it is to use, etc. Blah blah blah. So, number one thing, I've gone down to a small brush. Generally, that would always tug on the hair when you're working on fine hair, but rides through the hair beautifully easy. And that's a combination of all, obviously, the great product, but this is where I think this product stands out, how the brushes ride through the hair. And you're going to see us using a lot of this in New York during Fashion Week. I already know a couple of the styles we've got coming down the pipe. They're going to demand beautifully silky, smooth hair with a lot of shine. Now, I'm already getting that on this. I'm getting a nice reflection on that already. Now on blonde hair, we all know that is the hardest thing to get. So if we're getting it on here, we are golden. And as you can see, I'm taking this from wet. I'm not taking it from rough drying, etc. Now, can you use it in conjunction with other products? Absolutely. But I need to show it to you in its pure state, as it were, without using, you know, things like Elevate Mousse or anything like that. I just like the fact of how easy the hair is to pick up and how easy the brush rides through. I'll ask Madison a question.
Yeah.
So traditionally, if you were blow drying your hair, do you find you get a lot of tug with the brush?
A lot of tug.
A lot
all
of tug.
the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what she's finding is the colour and with fine hair destroys the elasticity of the hair, and that is why when you actually, you know, you put something into it, like you know, a very tight brush, whatever, you get a lot of tug. But as you can see with this, it's just riding through really, really easy. And, you know, so basically, you know, as a little side issue, that is that's cutting down my blow drying time, which is great. We all want that. So you know, another little advantage. Mike's got something. He's looking at the screen. No, nothing whatsoever.
A lot of hearts flying in. People are loving it.
Really? I thought they were just embracing the retro Sergio tracksuit.
Could be that.
And if you're elsewhere in the country, we're feeling sorry for you, obviously, with the massive ice storm, winter weather, the freeze. My God, did you see the pictures of like the trees exploding?
Yeah.
Like, that's mad. And like all the ones breaking up where Tyra is out in, where's Tyra? Where is she? Memphis, out that way. They're like the trees are completely frozen, like snapping, the branches are all collapsing.
Yeah.
Crazy. I was swimming yesterday, just to rub it in. I've gone from the skiing slopes, that's why I look so weather beaten. I've gone from skiing to swimming all in the space of like, you know, the weekend, which is crazy. That's why you live in Southern California, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Although I do like the old cold weather, we're looking forward to getting up to New York. Stay tuned on that. It's starting a little bit later this year. Date being the official start date, Fashion Week, is Wednesday the 11th. So, big season for us, as usual. Now I'm going to turn this under, or turn it in, so that way we can actually have a look. Slightly different finish. Now what I like about this the most, if you're using things to smooth out hair, generally the hair can get away from you a little bit. And by that I mean, you know, it's almost like the hair could be coated up too heavily from things I've used back in my career, and I was like, well, you know, I just have to really control it. But this, I love the fact that the hair's staying together as one piece. It's not getting over dried anywhere, so I'm not getting either crazy static or the hair's exploding on me, and I have to keep controlling it. It's staying together really easily. And for my style of blow drying, where I actually do like to work the hair with a brush without the dryer on it at some point, because I like to sort of feel what the hair's going to give me. Is it fighting me, or is it starting to be controlled with it? You know, I can sort of like, there we go. That's what I was after. A little bit of a kick in. Move the chair around. And there we go. Look at that. Is that nice? What are you thinking, Mike?
I love it.
We're liking that?
That's nice.
Little 70s vibe.
Right.
Yeah. But gloss all the way through. Beautifully conditioned, super easy to use. The wonderful, fantastic 7 seconds Anti-Frizz. As we've said, it's a leave-in thermal mist. Really got to stress that about the application of it. That really sort of like took me by surprise, because I wanted to keep pumping it. You don't have to. Just hold your finger on the top and it just continually releases the product onto the hair. So something very new for us. It's not aerosol driven, which is great. So you're not getting any alcohol in there to actually sort of dry the product down. Ease of use of application, and you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. I think there's a lot of product in there as well. I would have made it in a smaller bottle and made people buy more. But you know, they would obviously be nice.
Such a fine mist.
Such a tiny mist, yeah. But as I said, this is going to be great. Is it safe to use with irons? Yes, absolutely. Go. You know, I've done this. And obviously, when you road test it, we blow dry it. I've even gone into like I just gently do just gentle tiny mist, or even put a tiny bit on my hands, rub it over the hair, go over it with an iron as well. That's worked absolutely great, and it's fighting the frizz. Got any questions?
No questions.
No questions, no observations. They all just want to see her with a haircut. Tune into my Instagram a bit later on today, because I will definitely have a picture on there of hopefully the successful haircut we're giving Madison, because I'm very excited. Anytime you come in and start chopping hair off right into the hairline, and it's not because I'm scissor happy, I just think, you know, when you're doing a bob, they just look phenomenal when they're down at this sort of like chin length, even when they go above. You know, I love them when they're even hitting cheekbones through here. I'm going to convince her next time to do that one. But when they sit in that very retro area, like right there, so it just sort of cups into between the cheekbone and on that one, looks really good. But we'll be using more of this product again when I finish, because I want that great finish when this pops in, sits in right in there. That's where it's going to sit, but it'll, you know, that'll be interesting how we do the finish on it as well. Do I want to kick it under, or do I want to do it really straight, very edgy, but we're doing it with a little shaped fringe as well that's going to come in, and it's just going to arc around the cheekbone, open up the face, so it's not just straight blunt. We're going to carve into that. So that's a video for later on. Sounds good, doesn't it? I think it'll look great. And I did say to her when we were just chatting to her outside, I said I would change the colour a little bit. I would just move away from these pretty highlights because she's having something so punchy. I would just make somewhere like maybe just a couple of stronger bits either in the fringe and down the front, just to give it a little bit more kick, just to go with the actual hairstyle as well. I just think it, you know, marry that in. She's going to carry the whole image. She's a feisty young lady. She's got, a, you know, she's just a free spirit. So let's give her something, you know, a little bit more rock and roll with that. And if I get time, I will do it. Can't promise you anything, but you know, we'll see how it goes. The next Instagram makeover.
Yeah, with Ali. Yeah.
Well, that's with Ali, but we've got, hopefully we will do one from New York, won't we?
I think we're in charge of that, so why not?
Why wouldn't we?
Can't think of a reason.
We'll go live backstage with either myself, Narad, Ali, who
All
knows?
three.
We've got the whole lot, the whole kit and caboodle. There's so many people there, it's like a big party. You're there. Nicole is now on the team, you know, she's just like couldn't be left out. She was sulking that she couldn't come again. So yeah, it was it'll be great. So that's on March the 9th, 10 a.m. With Ali on Instagram Makeover. What does that entail?
Possibly doing a makeover for your Instagram page or doing a makeover that is Instagram friendly. I don't have clarity on that, so TBD.
TBD. But anyway, hopefully we'll see you before. I'm sure we will see you before. We will chirp in with some of the great behind the scenes looks coming in from New York.
Stories will be up all day, every day.
Always, yeah. Plenty of questions, etc. Very exciting. Do you go to New York? Do you ever do that?
A few times.
You've been there a few times?
Yeah.
Yeah, enjoy it?
I love it.
Yeah? Hair
Yeah.
gets a bit of a battering though?
It sure does.
Yeah.
It sure does.
So you need to fight the frizz after Fashion Week with 7 Seconds Anti-Frizz Thermal Mist. You know,
Yes,
she's
there we
sold
go.
on it already.
There's the...
That's a huge bottle of product.
It is bigger than my head.
I mean, my daughter would love this purely because she's got hair like a camel's tail, so she needs stuff like that. And she lives in Bermuda. This is made for her. They call her camel hair, so no, they don't. They really don't. Yes, so this is made. The top does not twist like texturizing spray, so don't try that one. It's actually sealed. You know, it's actually connected on there. So. Yeah, just a lovely product. What I love about this stuff is so easy to use. There's nothing crazy about it. You literally just spray it in the hair, comb it through, done. You know, it's a one and done. Let's do it. So, and it works. That's the whole point of it. Is, you know, we test this stuff. I'll just give you a little input of like how long it takes to sort of come to fruition. We did take a long time on it, purely because something that gives the hair control like that, as I said, like it does. When I run the brush through it, it's not getting static on there as well. It stays controlled. It takes quite a long time because you've got to marry that option of putting enough conditioner in the hair as sealant and everything else, and it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel oily. And so, you know, it takes roughly about 18 months, but we took a long time on this one because we felt we just needed it, because you're dealing with places, as I say, like my daughter lives in Bermuda, which is extremely humid. Then you've got the sea mist here, you know, on the California coastline that, you know, attacks hair, and then you've got the southern states as well, even right the way up into, you know, New York, etc. In the summer, that is just like so humid. You go outside, Texas. I mean, I'm just thinking Texas, Houston. I mean, what an amazing product for that, etc. But even with fine hair, it's not destroying it. It's not making it lank. It's not making it collapse. Perfect. It's got all the 7 seconds goodness of like weightless leave-in. Anything else, Mike, to add?
That's it.
Really, everyone was bored senseless with me today. They couldn't even make a comment.
Got a lot of hearts.
A lot of hearts.
Yeah.
That was my my people back. I paid them to do that. I just said, just keep pressing the button.
Fire emojis coming in.
Wow, hearts
Keep
and
pressing
fire.
the button. That was probably Christina, was it, or whatever? Yeah, because she was just on there to see her mate. That was all. And then on the seat to see me. Anyway, we'll see you from New York. Then tune in, see Ali on March the 9th. Thank you so much.